Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you an endless dice game. So to start the game, you need to click on this dice button. So player 1 clicks, it chooses number 5, and here player 2 clicks, so it chooses 5 also. So I have played a few turns, and now the player 1 score stands 17 and player 2 score stands 23. So now if I end the game, it will show player 2 wins the game because player 2 score is more. Now let me increase player 1 score and show you. Now it will show player 1 wins the game. Now let me make it equivalent. It will show game drawn.